Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to make phylogenetic tree from nucleotide sequence. In our previous video, we have learned how to make FASTA file from master file. If you skip the video, just click on the I button or link below in description. Now we have to create phylogenetic tree from FASTA file. For that purpose, we must have Mega installed in our PC. Mega is a software I have a setup and I will try my best to place its setup link in the description box. You can download it from there. It will take just few minutes to download and open it. Maximize the screen, click on the model and go for find best DNA protein models. Search for your FASTA file as I have saved in the test1 format. Before that, you have to make clear that you have selected all files from file name. These files will appear. Test1 file, open it, click OK. Yes, we will go for maximum likelihood and press compute. It will take just few minutes to compute. This interface will appear. You have to keep in mind your first sequence like T92. As we drag down below, T92 stands for Temura 3 parameter. If K2 was on the top, it means you have to go for Temura 2 parameter. Must keep in mind we will use in our next. Just minimize the screen, click on phylogeny and first click construct test maximum likelihood tree. Yes, here we go for 50 bootstrap maximum likelihood method. In the model or method, you can see Temura 3 parameter is selected. When you select from right side, there is a drag down list. For K2, we will select Temura 2 parameter. For another type, we will select another parameter. Compute. It will take few minutes to process. This is the final tree. Maximize the screen. Save it from image and save as PDF from wherever you want. In our next video, we will learn how to make phylogenetic tree from an online platform. Till that, if you like the video, just click on the like button and make sure to subscribe the channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.